call has been forwarded to
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Diti. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Awesome, all good. So, yeah, I took a look at, your previous website.
Yeah,
Qualians, is that how I pronounce it?
Qualians. Yeah.
Qualians. All right, awesome. So basically, you are looking to revamp this existing website, or you want to build it completely from scratch?
I mean, either ways, if Wix is a good enough option, we can revamp it, or if we need to build it somewhere else, we're open to that.
Okay.
And the content would be similar. We'll be adding some new content, and we want all the design and everything to be a lot more updated. That's
Okay.
about it.
Okay, all right. And when you say you want the design to be updated, do you have something in mind? Do you have any particular reference point of what you're looking for?
I would have to look for references. I mean, ideally, it's going to be like a corporate website, but it is also product, like apparel based and product based. So the product focus also needs to come in, and of course, the factory needs to be shown in a nicer way.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Got it. And so, for me to understand, this is where you guys manufacture the material and the garments, is what I'm understanding. And
right. So this is not just for Silvertrack. We do our export business with this. So
understood.
This is,
yeah. Understood. This is your manufacturing, and Silvertrack is a brand basically for.
Yeah, Silvertrack is a brand.
Understood. Yeah. No worries. I work similarly with someone who has a veneer business, and they also manufacture veneers basically for interior design. So they have a separate corporate website. So just since it's a corporate website, right? I'm assuming the type of people that are going to come onto this website are going to be distributors or retailers or people who want to use your existing technology or fabric into their products. Is that what? Is that correct?
We don't make fabric. We make the garments here.
Okay.
So we like the sewing and the cutting, sewing, everything. All of that is there. So yes, so brands or like institutions abroad. Like say a military organization or a brand or a corporate that needs some kind of clothing for their this thing. So those kind of B2B clients.
Right. So and got it. So and they would like send you the design and you would like design it and send them the finished products. Got it. Okay. Understood. All right. So cool. So I'm assuming what I could do is there's two things I can do. One is I can put you in touch with a team that will redesign this website, but they'll do it on Framer, all right, which is a different platform for websites. It's as simple as Wix. Your drag and drop, click, you can edit the text. So it's very easy for the handover as well. You can edit it later. It has a CMS feature also on the back end, so you can update stuff as well.
Okay.
And yeah, it will look good. The other thing is that I could do is, one is I can put you in touch with this team. They'll probably like redesign it. They'll pitch you, what they could do and stuff like that. You'd have to take that conversation forward. Second is I could consult you on what you could do yourself. If you want to build it yourself or you want another team to do it.
No, actually, I'm not looking at building it myself. Specifically, I've done it before, but I just want to get it done outsourced.
Got it.
Yeah.
No, fair enough. Cool, no worries. So even if you hire a team and if you since it's not me doing it, so I cannot guarantee like their work, but I know that they've done it in the past, and I have referred them a lot of clients who require websites. My background is also from building websites. I used to build websites on WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Webflow, Framer. Build websites on almost every platform. For a lot of e-commerce brands as well.
Do you also do coding or do you only do the design?
So coding, I had to just by trying to figure out how to fix the bugs and stuff. I had to like look it up on YouTube and Google. So I don't code, but I know how to find the solution to a problem on the internet.
I do that as well, but right now I don't have the time investment for it. So
no, 100%.
I'm looking at
completely understandable.
Yeah.
I don't do websites anymore, I mean, if I do it, it's usually like very special projects that I do. But for a website, what you're looking for, it's very simple. You just need someone who knows the design and the tech basically. So I'll put you in touch.
I mean, if you could just send me some of their work,
I will.
would help me decide whether that's the space that I'm looking for.
Yeah. You'll have to qualify them yourself for sure. Have a word with them and see if they are up to par. And I mean, if you end up even hiring anyone to do it, and if you need me to probably set the direction or something, I'm happy to do that as well, completely complimentary. So let me know if you need help with that. And just some quick suggestions for your website. Since it's for B2B, your hero section should have, obviously, yes, your factory. On the right hand side, have like a small form, for them to register their interest. So a lead capture form is very important, and having a good value proposition is always important on your hero section. So basically before the fold line, which is a hero section, is basically the first thing you see before having to scroll on your website. So I want to know exactly who you are, what you do, how you do it, where you do it. That should basically be in the first kind of thing. And I mean, so since it's a corporate site, you're probably not going to run ads, or I mean, people are probably going to come to this link either because you shared it to them on WhatsApp, or maybe via
through a web search or something.
Web search, the last source of traffic would be if you choose to run ads like Google ads, very targeted Google ads or targeted, ads.
Most likely not.
But that's exactly. It's a corporate site. So I mean, design wise, you don't really need to worry about a lot, but I understand you guys might be looking for that. One important thing is definitely try to find a reference point though, because that is something that any web developer or designer is going to require. If the content is the same, then you don't have to worry about it on the website, because that's the second thing that they're going to ask you, which is a content document. And they'll also ask you for a Google Drive with all the images, media, whatever you have, they're going to ask you for that. So if you can prep that in the meantime and also get references, I will set up a meeting. I'll just give you their number. You can set up the meeting with these guys, and you can take it forward from there. And if you need any further help, you can always contact me.
That sounds great. So, but there was also one other thing that that I wanted to do also, because we're doing a little bit of outreach. We're trying to get more customers.
Okay.
So we're starting some business development activities. So for that, I need a brochure that can be sent over email.
Okay.
Now, of course, we want that the branding on both of these becomes a little bit more homogeneous across all of these materials on the website and everything. Right. So we also need to design a very nice brochure.
Got it. Would you be interested in? I'm not sure if I told this to you, but I also brochure I can definitely help you design if you need my help in that. But if you want to send out emails, I just launched a AI email newsletter company, you could say. And it's actually an AI company. We basically help people with chatbots, with automated outreach bots, and also AI newsletters. So just to give you an example, I'm doing this for a e-commerce jewelry brand, and they just set their entire calendar for the entire year, newsletter calendar. And I set the design, so I designed the entire template for your email, and you just give me the topics. We basically populate a Google sheet, and your content, everything is generated. I'll send you a reference if you're interested in that. If you already have like a lead list of a minimum of 100 people, you can basically have a newsletter going out to them every month without having to even worry about it. And at the end of the month, you'll also get like a report on how many people opened it, how many bounced, and X, Y, and Z.
Right.
So if you want, I can share that with you. And in the future, obviously, once your website is ready, for the brochure, if you need my help in design, I will just need you to send me the details and a reference design again, and I could maybe get that thing designed for you.
Okay, so on the AI part, that could be interesting for Silvertrack as well. So if you have some material on that, just send that over to me and I'll take a look at that.
I will. I'll send
for
you
the
a company
corporate thing,
profile. You
maybe
can
if we
have a
want
look.
to,
Yeah.
we can see once we have more of a lead list for that.
Yeah.
But yeah, for the brochure, if you could send me some, like, is there some kind of work on this that you've done in the past, or if I send you a reference, I can.
I'll show you some brochures we've done. We've done it for water purifier brand in Dubai, and maybe for your particular use case, your particular industry, I don't have anything that I've done before. But we can always.
No, that's fine. You can just send me something which is more on the corporate side of it, because I know you're working the fashion this thing, but yeah, I would just want to check the corporate bit, and then I can send you the rudimentary brochure that we have, like, which is just very basic, which we want to kind of revamp, and maybe you can do, like, we can start with one kind of mock-up of a page, and then if that works, then we can follow through the rest of the theme, and maybe we need to shoot a couple of garments, because these are all like jackets, these are like military jackets, and they have like these reflective tapes, and they're very like feature heavy.
Right.
It's not like just a basic t-shirt or a basic legging or whatever. So those things, like, there needs to be enough call outs, and then linking it back to the technology and making it a little bit more.
Got it. So
interesting.
You may so some brands have this. You want like a how many page brochure do you think would it be?